This is a new 2015 Dodge Journey. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.